Official statement from the South Sudan People's Liberation Movement, South Sudan People Liberation Army. Date, January 22nd, 2026. To the people of South Sudan and the international community, I extend my greetings to you in the name of the Almighty and the name of our beloved nation, South Sudan. The South Sudan People Liberation Movement, South Sudan People Liberation Army, SPLA, formally announces its commitment to a necessary political transition and the replacement of the current administration under Salva Kiir Mayardit. Our joint operation forces are highly disciplined, exceptionally trained, and possess the unwavering resolve required to remove any obstacles on their path to Juba, South Sudan. Our mission and vision, our primary objective is to dissolve the current administration and establish a foundation for a new South Sudan. We call upon all citizens to support the movement, as our struggle is rooted in the pursuit of peace and unity, ending internal strife to foster national cohesion, democracy and freedom, restoring the voice of the people through transparent governance, prosperity and development, ensuring every citizen benefit from our nation's wealth. An appeal to the armed forces under Salva Kiir. We urge our brothers, the members of the South Sudan People's Defense Force, SPDF, to reconsider their allegiance. Do not sacrifice your life for an administration that has failed to provide basic infrastructure or even regular compensation for the soldiers who defend the nation. We advise all SPDF personnel to lay down their arms and offer no resistance when encountering our joint operation forces. We do not seek conflict with our brothers in uniform under Salva Kiir, nor is our struggle defined by tribal lines. We are fighting a corrupt, failed leadership to restore the dignity of our people in the eyes of the world. When we win, we will create economic reform and infrastructure. Under the new leadership or new administration, our priority will be to the total reconstruction of our nation. Our vision includes infrastructure. We commit ourselves to be building a comprehensive road networks to connect all states, facilitating trades and economic growth. Agriculture, we will be utilizing oil revenue to fund large-scale agricultural projects to ensure food security and eliminate poverty once and for all. Industrialization, we will be establishing manufacturing hub to provide millions of jobs for South Sudanese citizens. Social welfare, we will be implementing a welfare system to support vulnerable groups and families in need. Accountability and justice. The current regime has diverted national wealth and international aid for personal gain while misleading the global community regarding the commitment to peace while they do not love peace. Furthermore, the leadership must be held accountable for the loss of South Sudanese life. We stand ready to cooperate with international justice system to ensure that those responsible for those crimes and the misappropriation of funds are held accountable. A call to action. If you seek a better future, we invite you to join the coalition coordinated with representatives in your local area and become part of the transformation. May God bless you, and may God bless South Sudan. Signed and confirmed by General Moonbos Jok, Chairman and Commander-in-Chief, South Sudan People Liberation Movement, South Sudan People Liberation Army. Thank you. Have a good time.